Hey, what's going on, traders? It's MET XRO. Head ass, you would never see that shit. What's good with y'all, YouTube? It's MET XRO, and we back. My X is on point. Let me know if that shit was just terrible. Just let me know too. But hey, man, we back. So this is gonna be like a video with a couple things I gotta say in it. Like I low key could have made two different videos, but I'm gonna just combine it in one because I just don't. We can just get this shit out the way in like 10, probably like 10, 12 minutes. So first things first, if you ain't joined the Discord or follow me on IG, the Discord free. Make sure to click the link. Fuck, I'm already stuttering. This a world record for me. I usually don't stutter like this. Real talk, I never stutter. But if you want my Discord, the Instagram, click the list. Fuck, click the link in the description. Yeah, click the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? Once you click that, you got the Discord, the Instagram, and you got the TikTok and the YouTube. So, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get over there. You know what I'm saying? The Discord, shit lit. You know what I'm saying? We got, we got a whole bunch of little channels over here. We got the trading chat, all types of shit. This shit went low, all this, all that, And then you could even post your winning setups. We got a little specific channel for that too. So yeah, hey, people was winning today. So yeah, it was a decent amount of wins today. All types of crazy shit. And we got all types of shit. Just join it. Just join it, bro. I'm not gonna say it again. Just join it. If you feel like, what I'm saying, if it's for you, you want community traders, join it. But all that shit aside, yesterday I asked Instagram, a little poll on Instagram, that if they would rather me do a 20K Myforex fund challenge, or would they rather me put $100 in the account and try to grow it / flip it for a whole month. And me personally, I ain't gonna lie, I was low key ready to do the $100 account just for the pure fact that, like, I was like, yeah, a lot of people, they like shit like that. But then I had to think about it, I'm like, a lot of people like shit, you know what I'm saying, seeing people get funded and shit like that. So I was like, hey, honestly, I was really prepared to do the $100 one. But then I checked a little, at the end of the day, I checked all the results and shit. Now, a lot of people voted for the $100 account, but a lot of people also voted for the Myforex fund shit. So we doing the Myforex fund shit. If you could look on the bottom, you might not see 20K because I did try to trade today, and it hit for like almost a 1 to 2, and then I told myself that I was gonna get out of break even. Now I could really show. I'm gonna show y'all just the smaller parts of the part I recorded of it. But yeah, man, we're gonna be documenting this whole thing. I mean, hey, if I'm able to record and trade every day, then I'm gonna do that. But if I miss like a day where I don't record, I'll make up for it in the video that I make, or the next video that y'all see. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna be doing no behind shit. Y'all gonna see everything. I'm gonna go over my losses, all that shit. So y'all gonna be locked in with this shit. Now that we got that shit out the way, now the trade I took today was on all USD. Now this is today. You know what I'm saying? You can see 523 on the bottom hand side. Now I'm gonna mute this because there's nothing really to, so we're not finna watch this whole thing. But I'm gonna just show y'all why I got in this trade, right? All right, let's go to trading view. So as you can see, I got the replay feature. I finally fucking bought the shit. I finally did, because I got tired of that shit. Always pulling up. You can get trading view premium. All right, bro. I got it. I got it now. I don't get no more ads. I'm ad free. So yeah. So this is the pair RUSD. As you can see, this is what I'm looking at the time I was on the charts. I was like, okay, this is a possible setup. Possible supply and demand setup, right? So boom. One thing we see right here is, like I said, a possible demand setup. We're in a downtrend. Boom. I got my zone drew up, right? Go to the 15-minute. Boom. We under SMA. We go to the hour. We under the SMA. Say it with me. We on the 4-hour. What are we? Under the SMA. So I was like, fuck it. Like, I like this trade. It's moving. It wasn't going like down, like super crazy. Like, what I'm saying, just but it was a decent amount below the SMA, and you could see that it dropped, came back up, and dropped again. So I was like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna go for this. You know what I'm saying? It's below the SMA. I got a valid zone drew up. So boom, this where we at right here with it. And I was gonna send this out to the chat, but this ended up happening this shit happened quick. So boom. So as you can see, I got in on the next candle. On the next candle. Let me show you. Boom. So I got in on this candle right here. And I was like, alright, cool, this looking good, right? Have my stop loss right here. Have my stop loss right above right above this candle. But that's just how I trade. Now, if you don't know how I trade, that's just personally how I trade, and you're gonna see why I do that. So, honestly, I might not even have to show the video. I can just break this shit down right here. So yeah, so you know, I got my zone drew up. As soon as it broke below, I like to draw the little orange line to show people in the Discord when I send out trades. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we send out trades. Everybody send out trades in the Discord, and it be valid trades, not just no bullshit trades. So yeah. So usually when I send out trades to Discord, I always put an orange line where I'm gonna interact, so people won't get confused. You know, it's just easy. As soon as it break below that orange line, I'm in. So like I said, I got in below here, stops right here, targeting the 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. Yep, 1 to 2 right there. And as you see, we pushed down. And as you can see right here, it looked like low-key a bit of support. And I was already watching that area. I called it out in the little recording video that I was gonna show y'all. And I was like, okay, it pushed down this much, right? So I'm thinking, okay, you know, prices for like all types of pairs kind of moving weird today, and I was like kind of being like, I was trying to be on a risk-free type shit. So I was like, okay, if it come back to break even, it pushed down this much and it tapped this much and it kind of like it respected it, then I'm gonna just get out of break even, right? So boom, the next candle hit. I'm like, okay, at this moment, like when that whole candle was red, I was like, okay, we looking good. Maybe we can push down and maybe break this support. So I'm like, all right, beam. Now I see this candle and I'm like, hold on, okay. I'm watching this shit, making sure, and then it does that. It pushed down all the way like that, and I'm like, okay, we vibing, right? Then the 8 o'clock candle hit, and I think we had yellow news at 8 o'clock. Like, yellow news isn't too crazy, but it's still yellow news. And then 8 o'clock is 8 o'clock. You know, 8 o'clock always, I think, do some weird shit. So it ended up pushing me, taking me out at break even. So now, look, so for the people who will be like, why don't you just get out at your stop loss, or why don't you have it above the zone? Because look, the way I like to trade is, if I do, however, get into a trade and it starts going my way and then it starts to like go the opposite way before it hit TP, I like to try to get out early. And sometimes people confuse getting out early with scared on, you know, you're scared, you know, let your trade do the trade. But the way I put my stop loss and where I put my stop loss at, 9 times out of 10, if it gets hit, the play just won't trade out, right? It won't trade out, won't play out. So, like I said, I got it at break even, and my original stop loss was auto up here. Now that's a big difference. That's a big cut in the loss. Like when I got it at break even, it was barely nothing. Like, it really wasn't shit. Now if I would have got it up here, then I would have been like, okay, that's a loss. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't have been nothing like, damn, I fucked up and lost. It would have just been a regular loss. But anytime I get to cut a loss for free, and I like, not for free, but early on, and like I actually have like an actual reason behind it, not just getting out because I'm scared or, you know, all the other shit. It plays out decent. So let's look what happened. Boom. Next thing you know, boom. Yeah. And I wasn't trying to be in all that shit, real shit. So I know a lot of people, if they did take this trade, not saying anybody in the group took this trade, I don't really know if anybody in the group take this trade, but you know, a lot of people, if they trade supply and demand, I know a lot of people put their stop losses above the zone. But if you trade like me, I got out early because it made sense, and it was just breaking above candles. I saw respect this support and resistance zone, got out early, and cut my loss super short rather than having a loss all the way up here. So today was really a break-even day. So yeah, that's the first trade of the account. That's why when you look down here, it says $19,971.20. So yeah, that's basically why I say that. I was up a decent amount. I'm not gonna say like a whole lot, but I was up a decent amount. I almost hit my one to two. But the thing is about that, when I was in the trade, my lot sizes were kind of low, so it wasn't really getting a lot of profit, but you know, it was still a good move to catch. Um, but yeah, man, I'm gonna try to document every single trade. You know, if I can get a live trade every day, that'd be lit. So I won't have to get my live full reaction on why I lost. And when I lose, I will go over my losses, unless it's just like some shit that's like, hey, it just didn't play out, or, you know, some shit like that. But I'm gonna always show y'all my losses and like mark it up, you know, all that shit. I got y'all. So, hey man, hopefully we can pass this challenge. Hopefully this series can inspire somebody, or even, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully y'all just enjoy this shit. You know, this is my first time recording this shit. It's a little pressure. I'm not gonna say it's a lot, because I've been trading and I've been live trading for a decent amount of time. So it's just like me making another video, just like keeping shit updated and recording every single thing about it. So hey man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the Discord if you guys are interested in it. Link in the description down below. But that's the end of this video, man. And yeah, you can go now. You can click the video. You can click off. You can click the full screen, go home, or go watch your favorite YouTuber. Just don't watch me, because I'm about to end this shit. Alright, bro. I guess I gotta fucking end the video.